For the last 2 months, I've been making a real effort to wake up early and get into the shop first thing. And that's been going well, and it's made it possible to get to this project that's been on my list for a long time. So I'm planning a board that I just resawed. I can't show you the resaw operation because it involves a tool I can't show yet. I'm making this template for template routing, but it's going to be held to the workpiece with vacuum instead of double stick tape, which is going to be my go-to method if I'm making more than one of anything. So you've been watching me build one of these as kind of a trial. Now it's time to get into production, and I'm going to start with the vacuum template routing again. Now the vacuum's actually created with this Grabo dock that Izzy Swan sells. There's a link in this video to a more complete Grabo video by Izzy that'll also show you where to get to his website and purchase the Grabo and this dock if you want to. But this is just really slick. Peeling off the double stick tape is a real pain if you're doing this many of something. I mean, maybe if I was just doing one thing, then I'd use double stick tape, but honestly, if I was just doing one of something, then I probably wouldn't even make a template. I'd just shape the thing itself, because that's as easy as making the template. So if I'm doing any kind of serious amount of template routing, I think this is going to be my go-to method in the future. Just really easy to change the template from one piece to the next. So the Magswitch drill press fence was fantastic for this operation, getting in close on those countersinks. But then also, after I put this tab in place, I needed a taller fence to get it nice and square to drill the next holes, so I can just move it over and do this operation. Really happy with it. I mean, I am kind of biased, but I think it's pretty cool. Okay, so 7 minutes into this video, I suppose I should tell you what it is that I'm making. You may know that I sell a tool to make pencils, and part of the process of making a pencil with my tool is routing a half circle on two sides of a small piece of wood. This is a fairly precise operation, as small changes in the depth of cut could cause the glue up of the pencil blank around the lead to have some visible gaps when the pencil sharpened, or worse, not fit together at all. So a tight fit around the small router bit with a continuous base is a good idea. Also, having the small blank pressed firmly against the fence is important to keep it in place, but you don't want your fingers close to the bit. That's where the bearings on this pencil making fence come in. As the wood passes the arms that mount the bearings, they flex a little bit and press the blank against the fence for a safe and reliable cut. These fences are available for purchase. Thanks for watching.